In this video, I will show you how to save a Gmail email as a PDF. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you're going to want to do is come across to your Gmail and just click onto the email that you want to save as a PDF. So in this example, I'm just going to click onto this one from TeamU. Now once you're on the email, if you come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to see this little print icon where it says print all. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open up a window like this. Now from here, if you come to the right hand side, you're going to see an option called destination. All you need to do is click onto the drop down box, change this to save as PDF, and then click onto the blue save button. Then what you can do is choose where you want to save this on your PC. So I'm going to save this to my desktop and then click on to save. You will now see if I come across to my desktop, we should now have the PDF saved. So you can see it's just here, and we can double click this and that's going to open up the email as a PDF. So that is how to save Gmail email as a PDF. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.